Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting on gloves and eye protection and clearing a 30-60 cm workspace. Place the gram 1 kit and a calibrated 0.01 G scale within reach. Weigh exactly 1 gram and note the batch ID so you can track results. This matters for repeatability. Once done, open the primary reagent and prime the applicator for one quick test stroke on a waste pad. Make sure to work steadily. Rushing here causes dosing errors. You now perform the main 3-pass application. Hold the applicator at roughly a 45 degrees angle and keep a consistent 1 cm gap so coverage is uniform. Apply each pass with smooth, overlapping strokes. Once finished, wait 60 to 90 seconds and inspect the surface for the intended texture shift. If it looks uneven, one gentle additional stroke is fine, but avoid over-application. Also record room temperature and humidity. These conditions influence cure and final performance. You finish by allowing the applied gram 1 to cure undisturbed for the recommended 24 to 48 hours, keeping the area dust-free. Once cured, validate adhesion and finish using a low-pressure inspection light. If the surface is still tacky, blot gently with a clean, solvent-free cloth, then make one light corrective pass. If you see uneven zones, sand lightly with 320 grit, clean thoroughly, and spot apply about 0.2 gram to blend. If problems persist, check batch ID and environmental logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.